So today let us look at how to cite a company, organization, a company, an organization, or a government body. So we shall be looking at if we have a company, an organization, or a government body that has published maybe in its own website. How do we cite such a source? How do we cite such an information? So let us look at how to cite. So we look at how to cite. So we are saying government bodies such as World Bank are often official authors of the work published or the work they publish. So similarly, companies and organizations are usually authors of their own web pages. So what we are saying that is that if a company has its own web page, so we say that that company is the author of that particular web page. So if a government body publishes something in its website, so we say that that government body is the author of that particular web page. So now how do we cite such web pages? So this is how we do. So we say provide the name or provide the company's name in full for the first mention, and provide an acronym immediately following this in parentheses. This formally establishes the acronym in your piece of work. All subsequent mentions must use the acronym. So what we are saying is that when we are doing the first citation, you put the full name of the company, you put the full name of the government body, you put the full name of the organization, then into bracket following that full name, you put the acronym. You put the acronym into bracket. So that is the first citation. So any other subsequent citations, you will use the acronym of that particular organization. So let us see how we go. An example. Let us look at an example. So we're saying for an example. So we look at the first mention. An example for the first mention, the first citation. So let us see. Maybe we are using a company name, which is, or the organization, the American Psychological Association, APA. So we are saying that the first citation, you put the organization's name in full. Then after the organization name, you put the acronym APA into bracket. Then you put the year. So let us look at the second example. If the organization is Australian Bureau of Statistics, so you put the full name first, then you follow by the acronym of that particular organization. So that is the first mention. So let us look at the subsequent mentions, the following mentions. So for the following mentions, you put the acronym. Now you use the acronym. The acronym for American Psychological Association is APA. So you see that in the second citation, the second mention, you put the acronym and the year. The same case for the Australian Bureau of Statistics. You put ABC, 2018. So you find that for the first citation, you use the full name, and then following the full name, you put the acronym. But the the subsequent citations, you use acronyms. So let us look at a paragraph. So you can see in this paragraph that the first citation, in this is a particular paragraph, an example. So in the first citation, you use the full name, then followed by the acronym. But the second citation, you use the acronym alone. So for the case of Australian Bureau of Statistics, you use the whole name of the organization and the acronym. So the acronym, you put it into bracket. But the subsequent citations, you put or you use acronym alone. So let's look at how the reference should appear. So you can see this is the reference of the American Psychological Association. Also for the reference, you put the full name and then you put acronym. The same case for the Australian Bureau of Statistics, you put the full name and then you put acronym into bracket. So that is how you do your citations for a company or an organization or a government body. Thank you.